What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video rebuilding 2009 Porsche Cayman. We got this car with the left side quarter panel damage. If you guys haven't seen part 1 and 2, I'll put a link in description so you guys can check it out and be up to date. Us taking the car apart, replacing the quarter panel, and all the way to this point. So in this video, part 3. In last video, I installed the quarter panel, but I haven't secured it. So in this video, we'll start securing the quarter panel and get this thing wrapped up. So our gaps are perfect, everything closes, no problem, boom. Gap is perfect over here as well, and same with the trunk, opens up. I installed the rubber sealed as well, so we know exactly what it's gonna look once we're done. And same with this, I installed the seal. So everything lining up really good. And I got the welding gear out as well. So this is our spot welder, and then this is our regular welding machine. So yeah, let's start welding and get this car ready for a paint department. Should be fun, let's do this. So right now, I'm gonna put the welding blankets everywhere so nothing gets inside and nothing gets burned. We'll throw this blanket on the inside, cover the seats and the dashboard. This is just in case, extra blanket. Let's remove this seal. And same thing over here. And this is a special paper that we're gonna put on the back glass. Now nothing's gonna get damaged, everything is covered, and we're ready to roll. So first thing, I'm gonna use just the regular welder, weld right here and weld at the bottom, kind of secure the quarter, and then we'll use the spot welder and roll around and weld everything. That's the plan, let's go. Before I start welding, I usually like to put this battery protection. Just hook one to the plus, this is negative and this is plus. Boom, boom. And we got our light right here, so we're safe to weld. This is what it does, it protects all your electronics from welding and all that stuff. So whenever I weld or do anything, I usually put that on the battery. Okay, so now let's start welding. I usually have my dad do the welding so I could do nice cinematic shots for you guys, but unfortunately I have to weld it myself, so I'll do my best as far as getting some good shots for you guys, so just bear with me on this one. And we'll put the protection, safety comes first. Don't want to burn myself, because sometimes when I just put my gloves on, I'll get sunburn right here like crazy from the welding machine. So that's why always better to put a sleeve or a sweater, but it's kind of hot for a sweater today. Okay, let's get to welding. very, very uncomfortable, guys. So I'm all finished with welding. Everything came out good. So we welded up here, down there. So now we're ready for the big boy, the Pro Spot Welder. I already prepped everything where I'm gonna be spot welding. I had to grind it down to the bare metal. And same on this side, right here at the bottom, around here, around the wheel well. And then for the final, around here everywhere, and it goes down. Something like this. So let's finish with the spot weld, and we're ready for a body filler. So I got the Pro Spot ready to go, and this is my favorite machine. It's just so easy and it looks like factory. So let's start the welding process. I love it. Perfect. That was a little uncomfortable, but just welded the top and looking good. Check it out how clean that looks. Like factory. What happened? Nothing happened. And nobody will ever know that this quarter's been replaced. Almost done, so now I just gotta go around the bottom and do the same thing and we're good to go. And sometimes it's not easy to get into the spots. Gotta change the settings. I think we'll have better luck getting with this guy. I love this machine. Just can't get enough of it. So now we're gonna do around the wheel well. I cleaned that up as much as I could. Same thing, pretty hard to get in there to clean the undercoating that they sprayed. Sometimes I'll just put my glasses somewhere and I completely can't find them and they're right in front of your face. That's the worst. Beautiful. Gotta get a little cushion for my knee. Getting old. My back is killing me. So now we're just gonna go around here and we're pretty much done with spot welder as well. And that's it. We're officially finished. Welded everywhere around. The only thing I got left is the bottom, but unfortunately the quick jack is in my way. So I'm gonna have to put the car on the ground and use a jack and just weld the bottom piece. And then we're done. But other than that, pretty much we could say we're done with welding. We could start doing the body work up here at the bottom and get this car over to paint department, to LNC painter. So right now I gotta just go over and grind the weld that I did so it's nice and smooth so we could start applying body filler. And then this is by far, I think, one of my favorite tools to use. It works so good. in any situation. Gotta put a new belt. This one's gone already. And nothing feels better than new belt. And this is what the final product looks like. I installed the rear bumper, the tail light, just kind of see exactly how it looks. Came out beautiful. Woo! Like nothing happened. So right now I'm gonna install the rear wheel. We're still waiting for suspension, so once that comes in, we'll replace it. And I wanna weld the bottom, and we'll start doing body filler. Should be fairly quick, just right here and at the bottom, and the car is ready for primer. Just lowered the car and I installed the rear wheel, but look how much the quarter panel was pushed in, like crazy. Probably like good 5 inches. Yeah, it was a pretty good hit, I would say. So yeah, I'm gonna jack up the car right now and weld the bottom, and we'll start doing body filler. So I just put the car on the jacks, raised it up. So now I have the clearance to get to the bottom, weld the bottom section, and we're all set. And we'll start doing body work. And once again, I got the machine all set up and ready to go. Let's finalize this and let's start doing body work. Okay, just welded everything at the bottom. So right now, I'll just weld right here, the rest of it, and over here, and we're done. I had to get a different setting, this kind, that opens up and gets it. But now we're all set. Let's wrap this up and we're done. I'm ready to start applying my first layer of body filler, and this is what it looks like. So everything is super smooth, so we're ready for our first layer. Body filler is completely dry, so now we can start sanding this down. First things first, gotta put a mask. Just finished with body work, everything came out super nice, so now we're ready for glaze. And this is the stuff that I like to use. Best stuff ever, just to finalize everything. Everything is dry, so now we could start sanding this down, and I'll be using 150. Gotta put my mask first, can't forget this. Just finished with the body work and it looks perfect, like nothing happened. Perfect body lines everywhere. Same up here. So next we're ready for primer, and then Andre's gonna do his magic once again, and it's gonna look like brand new, like nothing happened. Little progress on the Porsche, so everything got primered and looking good. Now we're ready for paint. So this is what it looks like. So for now, we'll end the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for our next episode. We'll start the painting process, and also I got some suspension parts as well. So we'll replace suspension and get this car wrapped up and ready to go. So thank you guys once again for watching. If you're new to this channel and you enjoy this kind of content, you know what to do. Subscribe, don't forget to like this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!